Hi, this is Lisa from SCYAP Art Center, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be making this festive yarn wreath ornament. For supplies you'll need yarn, cardboard, cardstock or a thick paper, a pencil, a circular object to trace, scissors, a craft knife, glue, and crafty Christmas decorations such as pom-poms, buttons, ribbons, or glitter. Start by cutting out a circle. I traced a small cup, and for the inner circle I used the bottom of a paint bottle. I used a craft knife to cut out the inner circle. The size of the circle will be how big your wreath will be. To determine the amount of yarn you will need, cut off a fair bit of yarn. This measures about 7 inches. Fold the yarn in half and place the folded ends into the middle of the circle. Open up the loop and place the two ends inside the loop and then pull it taut. Leave about an inch away from the tied knot and cut the excess off. It is better to leave it longer than shorter, as you could trim it later when you are done. Untie the piece of yarn, and this will be the length of all the pieces of yarn you will need to make the ornament. To cut multiple strands of yarn at once, cut out a piece of cardboard that is the same length as your yarn. Make sure you don't wrap the yarn too tightly around the cardboard. Pulling the yarn stretches it. When you cut the yarn, it bounces back and you will end up with a shorter length. Once you have wrapped the yarn around a few times, cut the top and bottom ends. Then you will end up with a bunch of yarn that is around the same size. Using the knot from earlier, which is called a cow's hitch or a lark's head knot, begin tying knots all around the circle. Put on your favorite show or movie, as this will take some time. Once you get a hang of tying them, it will go by faster. This took me about 15 minutes to tie. This is optional, but I used a comb to separate the strands of yarn to give it a more fluffy look. It looks great with the yarn as is as well. Trim the yarn evenly all around with scissors. Once it is trimmed, you can decorate the wreath. Here I am using sequins, a ribbon for the bow, and mini jingle bells. You can use any decorations you'd like. Here's what the finished wreath looks like. They make great ornaments for your tree or even as gifts for the holiday season. Thank you for watching, and as always, the written instructions will be linked in the description box below. Check out our website for more fun art and craft tutorials. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share for more fun art videos. Take care and see you in the next video.